Okay, in this video, we're going to look at the code that we need in order to be able to turn our Angry Bird in the direction we would like it to shoot out of the catapult in. The first thing we need to do, though, is we need to go to our sounds, and we want to add our sound for the Angry Bird slingshot. So make sure you're in the Angry Bird slingshot sound here, and all we do is just need to drag that sound onto the sprite we would like it to play on. Then we know that that sound then is actually on that sprite. Okay, go back to my scripts. Now what I'm going to do is show you the pseudocode that you're going to need to do this, and then what you can do is have a go at trying to implement that pseudocode by pausing the video, and if you're not too sure, I'll show you the blocks and then the solution. So the pseudocode here is we need a when green flag is clicked, we want to point in the direction of 90. We need a forever loop, and inside that loop we need an if right arrow is pressed, then turn 1 degree clockwise and play the sound. And also within the forever loop, if the left arrow is pressed, then turn 1 degree clockwise and play the sound. Okay, so if you think you can try and implement that now, please have a go by pausing the video. If not, continue watching. Okay, so here are the blocks we're going to need. Okay, so why don't you have a little go at now looking at these blocks, going and finding them in the right places, adding them to your stage, and then putting them in the right order based on the let's see if we can put all of this together here for you, based on the pseudocode of the program. Okay, so there's the pseudocode, and there are the blocks. Okay, well, if you weren't too sure, I'm going to put them together now. So when the green flag is clicked, we want to point in direction, making sure he's in the right, facing in the right direction to begin with. And we're going to put in our forever. Alright, and inside that forever we're going to have the if. So we can do the if key is pressed. So if we do the right one first, the right arrow, we want to obviously turn in a clockwise direction of 1 degree. Okay, and then we would like to play our Angry Bird slingshot sound. Then we'd like another if to go in here, our forever loop, and this time if the left arrow key is pressed, we'd like it to, oops, I've got the wrong turn there, you can see, so what I should have had, let's take that out, is turn the other way, so left 1 degree, and play our sound. So that should be the solution. So let's press play and see what happens. So what should happen now is, as that is running forever, when I press left, you can see that the sound plays and my bird turns in an anti-clockwise direction. When I press the right key, he moves, so we can aim the bird to where we would like it to go. Okay, so make sure please that you have a go and put all of the code together for pointing the Angry Bird in the right direction.